baby, this country living made me think I never wanna see the light. Yeah, we talk slow, most of us poor, but I think I found paradise. Now, baby, this country living made me think I never wanna see the light. Yeah, we talk slow.
Hello, this is Monty with Country Living. Well, I did something weird. Not very many people may like it, but guess what? I put Polaris RZR seats in my Yamaha Viking. The reason being is Yamaha Viking seats are very, very hard, and they are horrible. See, there you go. They're very, very hard, and they're very, very horrible. Because, being the fact they are, I don't know, but they suck. So I had a friend that had a RZR, and I sat in his seats, and they were, oh my gosh, they're like riding with your ass on a cloud. So I decided to go out and purchase some a while back, and now I figured out a way to have them mounted using the original Yamaha bracket. No welding, no metal fabrication, and here is the end product. It's fine, does not move at all. No metal fabrication, no welding, nothing. And so, and it looks a lot better, and it actually rides a hell of a lot better, and it's like your ass is sitting on a cloud, because it's a lot smoother and a lot more comfortable than riding in those Yamaha seats. So I'll show you what I did. I took some brackets from Tractor Supply. Yes, Tractor Supply, and there's the name of it, the bracket. And I took 3 per seat. Well, this is for the back, and the only thing I did is I stick a washer up underneath the black piece. See? Stick a washer up underneath the black piece, and then I take a nut and I bolt it down, and I tighten the shit out of it. So, and I have one bolt in the center right here, so I can tighten it down to hold it onto the seat on the metal frame bracket of the Yamaha. Later on, I'm going to take a grinder and cut this part off, and that way it won't look so bad. But eventually, later on, I'm going to take a grinder and just cut this part off and be done with it. But I'll show you in a second once I get this one mounted what it looks like. Alright, well, I got them all mounted, and look, I can pull on it, not come up, pull on the back, not come up, and the only thing I did is, again, take that center bolt, run it through the hole, and take a nut. Now, I didn't tighten the nut completely down because I can do it by hand. That way, if I have to, I can remove the seat pretty easy. And again, the only thing I'm going to do is eventually get a grinder and cut these in half, so that way this doesn't stick out. That way this doesn't stick out. Other than that, yes, I installed Polaris RZR seats in my Yamaha Viking, and they are there. They're not going anywhere. Rides a hell of a lot better and a lot more comfortable. A lot more comfortable. And it actually looks damn good with RZR seats. I didn't go out and get the Yamaha YXZ seats. I got Polaris seats. Because even the Yamaha YXZ seats suck. The Viking seats suck. So Yamaha, y'all need to get up to date on your seats and your cushions and your materials, because your seats suck. So, and it looks a lot better with these seats in there. Well, any questions or comments? The brackets that I used, these brackets that I used, I got them at Tractor Supply for $4 each. So it cost me roughly $12 per base to get them mounted. No metal fabrication, no welding. Literally took me 5-10 minutes per seat and done. They're not going anywhere. I can pull up on it. They're not going anywhere. And the only thing else I did is I went to Harbor Freight and I bought a container of nuts and bolts. This was $6. So again, no metal fabrication, no welding. And it was quick and simple, $10 per seat. 10 minutes per seat, and you got Polaris RZR seats in your Yamaha Viking. Any questions or comments, please ask. And also, if you would, like and subscribe. This is Monty with Country Living. Thank you.